Hi, this is Dan in South Berkshire Hathaway with the first quarter of 2022 roundup. Nationwide, what's going on there? Inventory levels still very, very low, about 15% lower than they were a year ago. Prices still rising. Prices up about 15% compared to where they were a year ago. That makes 120 straight months of year-over-year price appreciation there. So again, prices continue to rise, and they have for literally the last 10 years. There is a little change on the horizon though during the first quarter. We saw interest rates go up significantly. They went from in the low threes into the fives, which so sounds like a change of only 2%. It's actually a change of about 60%. When you change interest rates from 3% to 5%, that's a huge, huge jump. Combine that with the rise in prices, it really affects buyers' affordability there. So the average buyer's payment right now has gone up 28% compared to a year ago for the same property there. So between appreciation and higher interest rates, huge, huge jump in affordability. That will over time slow the market down there. So on the segments of the market that are interest rate sensitive. Montecito and a lot of Santa Barbara tends to be a cash market. So it's going to be a lot slower to adjust, if it adjusts at all, because of the change in interest rates there. What's happening on the South Coast here? So fairly similar to what's happening nationwide there. Our inventory levels are down about 21% for the first quarter compared to where they were a year ago. And a year ago, they were already at historically low levels. So again, we're seeing tremendous inventory shortage. The properties that are selling tend to be selling with multiple offers. Everyone seems to want the same property. So if you do have one of those IT properties, you're in for a fun time there. If you're one of the buyers, it tends to be a very frustrating experience out there right now. Lots of good, ready, willing, and able buyers offering good prices and still getting shut out of the market there. So that won't change anytime soon for the higher end of the market. For the lower end of the market, which is more interest rate sensitive, you will see a little bit of a slowdown. I think you're going to see the market start to become a little more balanced than it has been there at the lower end of the market there. So I think prices will continue to go up. I think we're still way out of equilibrium with supply and demand out there, which will continue to move prices upward here into the near future going into the second quarter of 2022.